To all eSUN friends, I wish a Merry Christmas and a super New Year.
Hola, ¿cómo están amigos de eSUN? Muchas gracias por todo este apoyo en todos estos años. Les deseo feliz Navidad, feliz Año Nuevo y muchas gracias por hacerme parte de eSUN.
Hello everyone, I'm Silver from Silver Coast Lab. I want to wish you to all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope the 2023 will be a year full of healthy, fortune and of course full of nice print. So, one more time, Merry Christmas and Happy Printing!
G'day, my name is Joe. I run Encounter Terrain and I would just like to say a very happy new year and thank you to the team at eSUN Resin. They've sent me lots of resin over the past few years and they are fantastic to work with, excellent products, and I look really forward to working with them over the next coming years. Have a great time to everyone over there at eSUN.
Hello everybody! Wishing you and yours health and prosperity in New Year. New adventures are around the corner. New models, it's waiting 2023 with eSUN Filament. Happy New Year with eSUN. Let your dreams take flight in the new year.
Hey everyone, it's Fraser here from Things I 3D Printed. Just want to give a massive thank you to eSUN for all the support again in 2022. And a massive thank you as well to everyone who has engaged with me, who spoke with me, and who's followed on my little journey as well. Again, a big thank you to eSUN, who helped me out with filament and resin all year long. You know where to come to for any support, any help, any advice, and you know where to go for some of the best products on the market. So once again, thank you very much to everybody, and I hope everyone has a happy new year.
Dear eSUN customers, on behalf of myself and eSUN, we want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May in the new year presentate a lot of new kinds of filaments and let us see your creation in the new year. Without you, we won't not be complete. For all the guys on eSUN side and from me, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, first print of 2023 coming off the print right now. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's a new spool holder with the Acme threads. What filament provides this kind of witchcraft? You knew it. Okay, that's it for 2022. Not too bad of a year compared to the last couple. We're gonna have a little toast to the people that drive the industry. Companies like BTT, Reality, eSUN. Happy New Year. I'm going to grab me a roll of eSUN and enjoy the rest of the evening.
G'day there. Just like to take this time to say a huge thank you to eSUN Filament for supporting this big project and all their help. It's much appreciated, and thanks to all the fans online and the people that are following the project along. Wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll hopefully have this Big Girl Penny on display sometime in the first quarter of, or mid quarter of 2023. Look out for the pictures. Have a good one.